Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Hi you guys, it's me, Shweihninzy, and I'm here today filming a beauty video for you guys. Oh my gosh. So the backstory on why I'm actually filming a beauty video is Sigma actually asked me to do an IG stories takeover, so I'm actually filming that while I'm doing this video. And you know, I thought I would do a sit down, kind of talk to you guys about where I've been and all that stuff, and hopefully, you know, the stories will be out by now or it'll be out soon if you want to check that out. I'm just beyond thankful that they asked me to do this because I haven't had the need or desire to put makeup on since the end of April. It's been 6 months since I've put makeup on my face, and you guys saw like my everyday makeup, my no makeup routine that I uploaded, and I literally only wear like a tinted like serum under my eyes, and then I'll do mascara on my brows. Otherwise I haven't worn foundation in 6 months. So here is my skin right now. For all the people coming at me saying that makeup was the cause of my acne, it's not. So there, it's not. I went 6 months, no makeup, and I still got acne. It's a lot of just scarring, and I am a major picker, so I still have like a couple breakouts, and whenever I pick my face I always end up breaking out. I have hormonal breakouts and all that kind of stuff, so things I can't control on the outside, that's what's going on. I don't even know what to do. I haven't worn makeup in so long, I forgot how to do makeup. I'm pretty sure all my stuff is crusty at the moment. The first thing I'm going to do is put eyeshadow primer on. Nothing fancy. Alright, so I went ahead and just put on my eyeshadow primer, and I definitely need a new one. This one is crazy crusty. I haven't worn makeup in 6 months. Like I said, since the pandemic, I haven't had a need or desire to wear makeup because you literally wear a mask and this is all that you see. And my skin like up here has been looking fine, so I'm like, what in the world? I'm not going out anywhere. I don't need to wear makeup. And shipping and everything was so hard for buying products and all that kind of stuff, and I just lost the desire to film and do makeup because of the lockdown at the very beginning of quarantine and stuff. So it just kind of made me feel like, what's the point? Why should I be doing this? Next, I'm just going to put on a little bit of concealer to give myself an even base for the eyeshadow. We're just going to go in with my beauty blender. Oh. I'm going to take the Sigma E40 tapered blending brush and just go in with a powder to set the concealer. Now that we have a nice base going on, let's zoom in and do some eyeshadow. Hello, we're nice and close. So today I'm going to be using the Cor de Rosa palette. Sigma asked me to use this palette in the IG story takeover. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using. I really like the color story of this palette, and I think it's great for the fall time. So here is the palette. So I actually have a brush set with Sigma, which includes some of my absolute favorite brushes from them, and one of them is the tapered E40 blending brush. I'm going to be going in with the color Hybrid, and that's gonna go in my crease. You guys, I am so nervous. I haven't done eyeshadow. Do I even know how to do it anymore? Oh my gosh. And then I'm just kind of bringing it out to the tape. This is going to be our transition shade. I don't know why this feels so weird. Oh my gosh, I haven't worn makeup in forever. Like I said, I've just been really struggling with my depression and stuff, and my anxiety and all this stuff, especially like during the quarantine and everything. And if you suffer from depression or anxiety, you know how hard it is, you know, to be just isolated with your thoughts and stuff. So it definitely made things a lot more difficult. Now that we have a nice transition going on, we're going to go in with another color. I'm going to be using the E25. I really love the shape of this brush. I'm going to go in with the color Shakespeare, which is a really pretty deep purple. And this palette is so pigmented. And I'm doing the eyeshadow first just in case of fallout, like with these darker shades. The shimmery shades in this palette are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. I'll be using the Cream Contour E58 just to cut the crease here. Then I'll go in with the E55 and I'm going to grab Sunsprite, which is that really pretty gold color. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I pulled the tape off my eye. What do we think? I know it's like really like a harsh line. Don't worry about it, but I think I did a pretty decent job for not wearing eyeshadow and stuff for 6 months. I mean, come on now. So funny story, in the middle of filming, my camera battery died and none of my batteries were charged. So I had to take a lunch break. So we're back. We're gonna do the foundation now, and my absolute favorite foundation brush of all time is the Sigma F80, and this is also in my brush set. You can buy it. This thing is so dense. The coverage that this gives is amazing. My favorite foundation of all time is the Glamouflage foundation. It's only $6 at Walmart. Amazing coverage, and I got super tan this summer, so I have to mix 2 different colors here. So I'll put that kind of in the center of my face. And just the amount of coverage this gives is amazing, and it blends foundation out so fast and so quick. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. I'm gonna mix 2 concealers, I think, because again, I am darker, so I've got the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I'll put that like on the outside there. And then I'm going to set under my eyes with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with a powder and a puff. I use the Sigma F30 just to kind of, couldn't tell because mine, you can't see the number anymore. I've had this brush forever and I love it. We're going to go back in with the eyeshadow just to complete the under eye area. I'll go in with the E55 again in the color Shakespeare. I'll just connect this line. I wasn't recording that whole time. Ah! What the heck? I wasn't recording that whole time. Oh no! Well, I used the blush and highlight from their holiday collection, and I used the Sigma liquid lipstick in the color Corderosa as well as my liquid lipstick, and I love their liquid lipsticks. It's just, they don't budge, they don't go anywhere, and they don't feel dry and gross, which is fantastic. So here is the finished look. I feel like a rose fairy. I absolutely love how this turned out. And I have to say I didn't do too bad with, you know, how long it's been not wearing makeup. So yeah, I think this turned out pretty good. Let me know what you guys want me to try. The next thing I'm going to be testing out is I actually bought The Ordinary. They have a full coverage foundation, so I'm super excited to test this out because they're a pretty inexpensive brand, and I have high hopes for this. I swatched it on the back of my hand and it seemed pretty good coverage, so that'll be interesting to try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was more of just like a tutorial and not so much of a hey, what's going on kind of thing. So, but I have some exciting news to tell you guys as well. else. I don't know if that's going to come before or after this, but yeah. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and all the Sigma links are actually affiliate links, so if you want to purchase something through that link, it helps me out a bunch. And yeah, thank you for supporting if you end up using my link. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.